And the hare today's story. This is an extremely popular story about a hare and a tortoise. The hare is an animal that is known to move quickly, while a tortoise is one to move slowly. One day, the hare challenged the tortoise to a race simply to prove that he was the best. The tortoise agreed. After that, once the race began, the hare was easily able to get a head started. Upon realizing that the tortoise is far behind, the overconfident hare decided to take a nap. Meanwhile, the tortoise, who was extremely determined and dedicated to the race, was slowly nearing the finish line. The tortoise won the race while the hare napped. Most importantly, he did it with humility and without arrogance. Moral of the story is that when you work hard and persevere, you can achieve your goals. Slow and steady wins the race. थैंक यू वेरी मच। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसको लाइक कीजिए एंड मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।